Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the third time I'm pulling the transmission on this car. First time was to replace the clutch. Second time was because I thought the rear main was leaking. And the third time, it's not the rear main that's leaking, it's actually this part, I think. We're going to find out once I pull the transmission, but the seal that goes behind the slave cylinder. So, I guess we're just gonna get right on it. Enjoy the time lapse. Well, I think I found the problem. And that's the inside of the dual dry clutch transmission. And right over here we have the back side of the bell housing. And as you can see, giant cracks. That's where she's been leaking from. And there's another one right over here. That's where it's been leaking from. If you take a look at the other side, this is where the clutch was hitting up against the bell housing. Right there and there. That telephone looking thing, old school telephone, or a kidney. There. It put cracks. It put cracks into this thing. That's crazy. I wanted to interject here and say that part 2 is going to be coming when I get parts. Unfortunately, right now, it's really hard to get parts. So I'm waiting on transmission fluid, I'm waiting on the bell housing cover, bell housing, whatever the hell it's called. I'm waiting on a CV axle, and I'm waiting on a control arm. So until those get here, I can't post part 2, reinstalling the transmission. But you can go watch my playlists or see any other videos. As of right now, this is going to be the end of it. I want to thank you guys for watching. Thanks for liking the videos. Thank you for subscribing and clicking that bell. And I'll see you in the next one.